New York is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Let me first thank Ranking Member Waters and my good friend Michael Grimm for working collectively to make this bill happen. You see, it was just 17 months ago that residents in my congressional district, the 5th Congressional District of New York, and others throughout America were devastated by Superstorm Sandy. But little did they know then that they were about to be hit by another storm. And then came FEMA with astronomical rate increases to their flood insurance program. 2 strikes in the midst of severe recession, and many of them were out. But this bill, today, once we pass it and once the Senate passes it, it will finally give relief to individuals who was wondering what they were going to do. Many who had to pay already these astronomical rates, help is on its way. You'll get reimbursed. Many who did not know what the values of their property would be, and if they choose down the road to sell it, whether they would be able to do it, help is on its way. This bill fixes that. I congratulate both sides. I yield back.